These places may look unreal to you, but they actually exist on this planet. In fact, there are thousands of such incredible places on Earth which are unimaginable. Here we look at 7 unbelievable places that exist on the Earth. Canho Cristales, Colombia. In Colombia, the River of Five Colors is a special place. Here, for a brief period of time every year, when the conditions are just right, the river explodes with vibrant colors your eyes won't believe. During the short span between the wet and dry seasons, when the water level is right, a unique species of plant that lines on the river floor called Macarenia clavigera, which turns a brilliant red. It takes on glorious red hue and also provides shelter for other species to grow, which adds yellow, greens, blue, and black into the mix. Due to its unique plant life, it is often referred as one of the most beautiful rivers of the world. The fast-flowing water passes through a region that is on the edge of Amazon rainforest. It's no wonder that this place is also affectionately known as the liquid rainbow. Before moving forward, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our upcoming exciting videos. Next, underwater waterfall Mauritius. Mauritius is well known for its idyllic beaches and crystal clear sea. But there is an unbelievable phenomena at the southwest corner of the island that appears to be an underwater waterfall. Despite how it looks, it isn't actually a flowing region of water, but instead an optical illusion that happens because of the seafloor structure. This island sits on an ocean shelf which is no more than 500 feet deep. At the edge of the shelf, however, it soon plunges down a depth of almost 2.5 miles. And what you're actually seeing in the underwater waterfall is not actually water falling down into the abyss, but the particles of sand that are pushed over by the current. Salar de Uyuni. Bolivia's Salar de Uyuni is considered as one of the most extreme and remarkable vistas of all of the South America, if not Earth. Stretching more than 4,050 square miles at the Altiplano, it is the world's largest salt flat, left behind by the prehistoric lakes which has evaporated long ago. At certain time of the year, the nearby lakes overflow and a thin layer of water transforms the salt flats into a stunning reflection of the sky. This beautiful and otherworldly terrain serves as a lucrative extraction site for salt and sodium. Just so you know, lithium is the element responsible for powering our laptops, smartphones, and electric cars. During rainy seasons, when the surrounding lakes flows over its surface, the flat turns into an enormous mirror. It reflects everything above it, which gives it the appearance of an infinitive sky, and thus becomes the world's largest natural mirror. Hitachi Seaside Park, Japan. It is a flower paradise located in Ibaraki City in Japan. Hitachi Flower Park spreads across a vast area of 190 hectares. This park is famous for blooming flowers around the year. The flower paradise of Japan features wide varieties of flowers. Baby blue eye flowers are the main attraction of this park. Blooms 4.5 million of baby blue flowers in the fall. Another attraction is the Kochia Ball during autumn. In most of the days in summer, you can enjoy them in fresh green color. The Kochias, with gradation colors in greens, yellows, red, can be seen in the middle of the late September. If you want to see them in fire-burning red, visit this place during October. Antelope Canyon, Arizona, United States. Antelope Canyon in Arizona is one of the most visited canyon in the world. It is formed by the erosion of sandstone millions of years ago. The impressive stone structure makes it the most photographed canyon in the world. The Antelope Canyon has two main parts, called the Upper Antelope Canyon and the Lower Antelope Canyon. The Upper Antelope Canyon is the most visited section. This is because of the easiness of access. This part has extensive passages and requires no climbing. Lower Antelope Canyon demands climbing through ladders. It has a fragile structure and narrow passages. This magnificent view of the sandstone structure is the main attraction of Antelope Canyon. This site is also prone to flooding during monsoon seasons. Glowworm Cave, New Zealand. New Zealand is one of the most scenic countries of the world, but beyond the parks of mountain ranges and the deep valleys and the glaciers, there are a series of caves that seem to have come straight from a fairy tale. Reason for this is because they are home to glowworm, which are the larval form of the species Fungus grant that are endemic to this country. The bioluminescent that is produced in the insect abdomen as to designed to attack prey and happens as a result of a chemical reaction between lucifer-ray enzyme and molecules of luciferin. It creates one of the most stunning sights that you can see in a natural world and makes for a magical boat ride through the cavern. Thousands of glowworms are active here. The roof of the cave is breathtakingly side-dotted with brightly glowing peaks like a sky full of stars. The Gate of Hell, Turkmenistan. Not only the existence of this place is hard to believe, but the way it was formed perhaps even difficult to imagine. This place is located near a village of Durvasa. In 1970s, this country was a part of Soviet Union when the authorities were on campaign of identifying all the areas of natural resources that could be mined and used to support the growing population. In 1971, the geologists arrived in the area and believed that the ground below to contain a cavern that was full of oil. So they set up a test ring to drill down and take further measurements. But soon they found there are large sparks of gas just beneath the surface. According to sources, the ground collapsed beneath the rig and swallowed the drill as well as the top Soviet scientists. The remaining researchers were now faced with a problem that could detect large quantities of methane being released from the hole they had just created and believed that this is a possible health hazard. Their calculations suggested the best way to deal with was to burn the gas, and then it will run out within a few weeks. It was then decided to throw a grenade into the hole, and the Gate of Hell was born. Since then, it's been almost 50 years until today the hole is continuously burning. Now it is approximately 230 feet across and 66 feet deep and is filled with fire and boiling mud. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out our upcoming videos. Here we also handpicked these videos for you which we recommend you watch next.